feels easy.
So when we go on a date, we already have figured out who we think this person is based on their profile or what people have told us, right? Because we've decided to swipe right or left, we've looked at their profile, we already think we know who we're meeting. How many times do you have someone go, oh my God, you should see this person I'm meeting? And you're like, it's a stranger. You don't know anything about him, but I think this is the one. Really? Right? So we have this anticipation, we go on this date, we think we already know this person, we're nervous. Look around right now and see, you don't have to say anything, but look and see if these people in here look more attractive to you than when you first came in. Right? Right? Because we had our prejudices up and now we have them down. So everybody in this room I know is not prejudiced on the basis of skin color, sexual orientation, all these types of things that we're not prejudiced about anymore, hopefully. But once we're in the dating world, all of a sudden it's okay to become super prejudiced on looks, age, body shape. All of a sudden we give ourselves permission to be super prejudiced and unkind. Somehow that's considered okay. It's weird. And so then we go on a date and we can't even have a simple, enjoyable conversation with a person because we're already super prejudiced against them. Think about that. It's pretty intense. Are you doing that right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you guys feel they're open and social? Thank you.